this is Byron on the rooftop. We're demoing a factory-built fireplace. So it's currently about 11 a.m. We'll see how fast we get this thing out. It goes up a 2-story apartment building up above. And for safety reasons, we've condemned this appliance and the customer said, let's check it out. So phase 2, we continue to remove. Cutting these products with Sawzall allows us to remove them. Nice. There's a beauty. It's out. And we look behind here, it's a big hollow space with simply the venting up there. So we've demoed the walls. We've got down to just the factory-built fireplace and the associated venting. So what we want to do is pop the joint here. It's a lanced tab. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Usually it breaks pretty easily. The weight of the system is mostly up at the top up there, but then it comes down and transfers to here. So the outer wall is now loose. I can see it's starting to shift. So with the floor being free, I'm going to try moving the unit and see if we can pull it up a little and then pull it out a little. We'll try and move it this way to disconnect this. That's what that is. Probably one on this side. Yep, right here. They got double nail. We'll pull these guys. And, okay, I think the front is loose. So now let's try it again. It's moving a lot easier. Yep, there we go. Still connected on the inner pipe. There's the inner lance pipe. Those are the lance tabs coming apart right there. So now we'll need to rock it the other way to fully release it. Probably should have had somebody stand there to catch that. Other than that, nice clean run. Go ahead and take a look up in there. You can see the inner wall. Let's see if we can turn on the flash and take a look up in. You can see the inner wall, and that's part of what condemned this unit in the first place, is that elbow joint was unrepairable. We come right towards the truck.